Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can join quests to get like free gifts from Discord. So go to user settings and scroll down till you find the gift inventory. Here is the current quest that they have. They also have some that like you can get free avatar decorations. If you don't have Nitro, you can join these quests. But right now it's the Zenless Zone 0 right now. So like if you stream Zenless Zone 0 to a friend for 15 minutes, you'll earn this, but only the first 300,000 will. So just accept the quest and you'll be able to get the gift if you do play the game. I don't play this game, so I don't know what Polychrome is, I guess, but sometimes they have quests where you can earn free avatar decorations, which I think is pretty cool. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!